Alright guys, so I decided to do this video because of GTB and MTN. So first of all, GTB, since almost a year now, I've been trying to get my card and token replaced over a year now. And they said, okay, no, I have to do one NRN, whatever, because I'm not in Nigeria, I'm in South Africa, so I should do NRN, then they will do a proxy pickup for me in Concon. I shall sent the form I was supposed to fill on their website. That one said that my signature was irregular, I should send another document. I sent another document. Since that time, the thing has been sending me error message. Later, one attendant said that I should not worry, that they have received the email, they will work on it. Till today, they have not worked on it. I couldn't use my web app to do any transactions. And this account is the account with which I work with a lot of young people in Nigeria, because I live in South Africa, but I still do a lot of my work with other guys in Nigeria. So I mean, I have to be able to pay them for stuff, for their services, do transactions with them, and so on and so forth. And I mean, there are a lot of young people that benefit from such connections. Like, I know that there are other people like me who also do business with young people, but we have to use our Nigerian accounts and Nigerian phone numbers to transact with these people. GTB now says, okay, I should try other features of their bank. I go to their banking app, it's asking me for either my hardware token or my star 737, which works with my MTN number. My MTN number has been blocked by MTN now for over a year also. They said, and I've done this registration twice. I even went to, different times my biometrics were captured by MTN. Now they said they blocked it again because one NCC regulation, blah, 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 said they should check for incomplete registrations. When I've completed this registration twice, they've blocked it once, so I went and captured my biometrics again. So one of their systems is deleting the captured information, but yet it is my own problem to go and look for how to solve their system's problem. It is my job as a customer of MTN to help them to solve why they are losing my information. So, like, that's another problem on its own. I'm starting to realize that the problem of Nigeria is not always government. No. When people are setting up organizations, we don't set them up with we don't anticipate the problems that our customers or our fellow citizens may have in interacting with our businesses. For example, people can travel out of the country for many reasons, and their cards or their tokens would expire during that period. How do you make sure that they get these things without being limited by other organizations like MTN, who has also not thought about how to help people update their biometrics from anywhere in the world? So all these people just assume that we have money somewhere. MTN says that I need to come to the country to register my SIM, an 100 naira SIM. I should just take like 300,000 naira and go and use it to just take flight, get to the airport, register my SIM and go back. So I can't even use the MTN phone, the MTN line, to complete my transactions, or to use the code to request a new card from GTB. Because GTB, to request a new card, I need my the star 737 code. Like, how does that sound like a reasonable organization? And then you blame the government later, that the government is the one frustrating people, while there are so many institutions like this with very senseless systems that don't make any iota of sense. And GTB, they have not responded to all my emails. They've not tried to solve my problems. They've not followed up. Like, no follow up. It means I'll still be calling them. And I've sent emails upon emails. I've sent them tweets, Twitter chats, I've messaged them on their Facebook. I've talked to everybody. I've called several agents. The same thing for MTN. Both MTN and GTB. They'll be telling me I should come to the country. Like as if they are going to pay for my flight. I'll just, if I can come to the country like that, if like that's something that I do on the regular, you think I have problem? I would not have just flown with my private jet and just quickly do a stop in Nigeria and come back. So for me, I just had to do this video. It's longer than I anticipated, but I think I would do it and you know, just share this on my timeline and see how people respond. Because for me, I find this really frustrating. I find it disappointing